Okay, it is a tutorial day. I forgot what day it is. So I'm actually giving a tutorial to a few of my subscribers today. So stay tuned, everyone. Okay, I'm giving a tutorial. There you go. Uh-huh.
Yep.
Go ahead. Okay, no, you put it in your bag. And there's one right next to it too. There you go.
Yep.
Those are quite easy, but I'm gonna show you the harder ones. I think it's better if I show you how to find the harder ones. That way, you know.
This one would be what, a 2?
That is a 2 because a little bit of veil. That's also a 2. Yeah. No, this is actually, yeah, it's a 2. You see that thin veil right there?
Yep.
Yeah, that's a 2. And here, come behind. You always want to cover.
Yeah.
And come behind here. There's a few more right there. See if you can spot it. One of them is very obvious, and then there's another one that's really hidden. There you go.
I suspect this is the obvious one.
Yes. and you're doing a good job. You're actually really low, so you're
I'm
able
only
to see
5
it.
feet tall,
Yeah, so is my mom.
so I'm kind of small.
Uh-huh. See, and then just cover that.
I was just trying to get it a little clean.
I know. Right there. I thought you couldn't find it. That's one. Because you're low, see, you're able to see better. There you go.
Just a little one.
Yeah, see, and we're picking at people's spot that's already dug up. So that's why I said the slower you go, the better. It's very important to go slow. So I already spotted the mushroom. I'm just seeing if she can spot the mushroom. I'm giving 3 subscribers a tutorial today.
Oh, yeah.
Miền tiệt, miền Đà Nẵng này. Good job. Thấy những đai dưới đó, ban chra nữa nè.
Okay.
See?
I think I walked over here earlier, but I
Yeah,
don't
you did. I
spot
saw
it.
you run around here. There's more. Okay. Well, you chụp lõ, chụp cung chưa?
Yeah.
Yeah, on your knee.
Oh.
Right
Okay.
there. Yeah.
Yeah.
See?
Oh,
Very important to be low.
oh, little one.
Uh-huh.
Đó là Phu.
Đó taoยังvô bay nhầm đó. You're picking to eat. And miên tiệt, there's more here, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. There's more here. Mơ thuê, mơ đam, mơ mục, mơ kroi, chẳng hạn, bây khơi nhá. I'm just explaining left, right, up, down to her once she spotted. And this is SreyNeang. She's one of my subscribers as well, and her husband is here. And then also I have Jax over here too. Jax is over there. She's doing pretty good. She's found some too. So make sure to keep up with us. See how we do today. This group of foragers that's coming with me.
Đa lươn mưa ớt
Mượt khơi tê, chưa dâm tao. Đai dứt, bạch lên tê.
Nơi tao mà đông cái này nè.
Yeah. When I teach you this, is to find the harder one. When you see the easy one, it's easy for you to see. It's better to learn this way.
Chà.
That's a good one. She spotted the big one over here too. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, look at a couple of them. Oh, 3 of them. Yeah, let me help you right there. There you go. See, she's moving at a good pace too. She's moving really slow. And all she's doing is she's looking at people's dig mark and looking around.
There's actually 2 there.
Yeah. Might be one up there. Yeah, right there. No? No. Yes, usually you just push down, you can feel the top too. Great job.
Not the best collection device, but one that works.
Oh, no, it's fine. Yeah. Okay, we'll move on. I see a lot more than there. There's a lot more, and there's right there, Jack. There's some there, right there. See if you can spot it. The sauce.
ចា
You want to look at that kind of stuff here, see? មើលច្បាស់ឃើញ3គាត់ណាក្លុកហ្នឹង I see about 3. Let's see if she can see. It's pretty obvious. Nè, mau khăn nè. Đom nè. Khơiច្បាស់កន្លែត ណ៎ដាក់កថាងប៊ីសចំផ្សិតទៀត
Oh, right here.
Yeah, you almost put the bucket right on there. Yeah, she got there and there, so it's very important to look at the brush. I mean, the branches laying down like that. Okay, Biat, huh? Great job, you found it. She did find it. Yeah, we're going really slow. We're not even moving really fast, and we're finding quite a bit already. What was your name, Chmoy?
Sunloung.
Sunloung is Sunloung turn. I found one. Let's see if he can spot it. I mean, his wife is doing really good. Jax is doing really, really good. There you go. I'm absolutely sure you'll find this one. Bingo! Because I like the way you move. You're moving just the perfect speed for this.
3.
3, exactly.
I'm also learning.
Yes. I find some. Well, one for now. So let's see if she can spot it. Don't worry, everybody's learning.
Oh.
Yep, that's it. Moss.
Oh. I broke it.
It's okay. You pick to eat, you're not selling anyway.
Yeah.
You find it and then you pick it, and then I'll see if I can find anything you might miss. This is the new series, Foraging with my subscriber. If you like the idea, subscribe. Okay, continue on with the video. Yeah, this is the environment we're in. Beautiful.
Oh. Yeah.
Yeah, ហើយគេកាយហើយមានទៀត
នេះគេមីស
មានទៀតនៅចិត្តដៃស្ដាំដៃនៅលើស្ដាំដៃទៀត
ស្ដាំដៃ Oh. Right here.
Yeah.
Oh, I need to cut.
No, we're caught. It froze. It's
yeah.
okay. It's still edible.
Okay.
Okay. And sometimes you see like this here.
Yeah.
It might be, but this one's not.
Okay.
Yeah. យើងមើលខាងស្ដាំខាងឆ្វេង no. There's more. Tell you now, I think I see more. Oh, did I step on one? So you see, you don't have to go fast.
Yeah.
When you see mushroom, go slow. There you go. She found that one. I spotted some. Let's see if she can find it all. She's doing a really good job. Yeah, miền tràn chừng nâng à, more than that. Cái tiết, sao nữa nữa mấy chít trăm mũi tiết đây mà nhỉ? Tàu tiết. Oh, no. Chit dot nangai. Nangai, yeah, right there.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Tiết. Come on, dot.
Oh. Oh my God.
Tiết.
Right here.
More.
Oh, here.
Yeah, she's seeing all that because she's low.
Right here.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 right
1, 2,
here.
3, 4. Yeah.
There's, I think, more. Yeah, I think more.
Let's see.
This might be one, is it? No. Oh, believe me, no matter how much people dig, you're gonna find mushroom. Yes.
Anh ấy bạc đỏ. Oh, chênh ơi.
Yeah,
Không,
long
không.
stem. Look at that long stem. Out there, yeah. You having fun?
Yeah.
Getting professional training.
Oh my God. Big one.
Yeah, big one. Okay, let's go. We're not even to where I want them to go yet.
Right here. Right
Yeah,
here.
see, and she was picking over there a minute ago, just right by where she already picked. Say hello to Cambodia.
Hi, Cambodia. Big pine mushroom.
Easy to see. Mưa tam sarah chẳng á. Okay, like your wife doing. Mưa tam sarah mưa chít. Ngột mưa. No, mưa tô tiết, mục tiết. Banana này.
Oh, big
Nice.
round.
Oh, that's a nice one. That's a nice button. You throw ngột mưa lại sarah chẳng ấy.
Big one.
Number 1 too. Hai dừng cọp đi phong. Có môi mê Việt Nam phần năng ấy.
Mushroom.
Yeah, look at big too.
Big. Oh my God.
Tiết, the whole line.
The whole line right here.
4 mushrooms.
4.
Yeah.
It's just damage one.
That's why I don't wear gloves.
Oh.
I wear glove, I damage too.
Yeah. Oh my God, big
Good
one.
job.
Oh my God. The whole line. Big one. 4. Ban cả lòng cả thông ấy.
Look at that. She said she's never gotten that much. Pretty good. Yeah, now chutney miên tiết.
How many hours?
Not even. Probably like, yeah, probably like 40 minutes maybe. I think maybe 40 minutes. Nè, mau hay mò lờ tam sai về mờ.
Oh, you're right here.
Khô mùi tiết bà đây.
Oh, here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You see the line? I just mentioned line.
Yeah, boo. Maybe here too?
Yeah.
No? Okay, right here. Dạ, cái lớp hiện từ vạ đỏ.
Này.
Right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, too big one.
Good job. Well, look at that. He found that. See if he can find more. Look at that. And look, he's doing pretty good too. Yeah, they picked before, but they've never got training. So I'm pretty sure they're gonna leave mushroom behind. There you go. Miên tiết, nhắm khơi tiết.
This one.
Yeah, edible. Nhắm ban đó, cắt tới chân. Hey. Yeah, might be one here. Oh, on. Yeah, look turn it though, Klana. No.
Some right here. It's a big one.
Này. Khơi mà đây á, mê về đấy.
Vâng.
Anh ấy đây cái sạch.
Vâng.
Này Klana, cho rồi check không? ให้เคยนะให้พดไปเคยให้ left right up down once you see them watch I show you something too see if you can find it มือ ក្រោយខ្នងផង back of you front of you okay here I know you're not looking in this direction but it's in here right here there you go
Okay.
there you go that's a big one too oh my god
Big one.
yeah
2 of them.
yeah that is going to end it for episode 1 part 1 of Foraging with my subscriber. I thank everybody for watching. Follow us more for this new series. Thank you. Have a good day.